Well, that just perched on there. It's a new song thrush. We'll look over. Oh, excellent. Clutch of 3. Aye, beauty that. Just perched in here in the gorse, right in the thick. So hopefully gets out of there. Just freshly made. I don't think that clutch, there's no bird. No incubation yet, I don't think. Hopefully more to be added to that. We'll keep checking. There you are. A few days ago I was walking back home and I seen these white throats, and I knew to check in here. I seen the 2 white throats in this area, and yeah, there's the nest there. No bird. Lovely lining. It's not going to pick their eggs up. Yeah, maybe he's there. Great stuff. Lovely. Nice one. Quite easy to see into that one. Just in here. Just quickly check back in on the white throat with the clutch of 6, and as you can see, the eggs are hatching out there now. I can think there's one unhatched egg, I can see. It's hard to see. Yeah, this one, clutch of 6. Chick's hatching out, no bird. It's gone off for a feed, no doubt. Right, we're going to get out of here. One last little look at these chipjags on the gorse. And as you can see in there, see one nestle right at the front. They're ready to go. Yeah, gonna be out soon. Lovely little nest this. It was pretty damp the last time I seen it, but I thought I might catch them just before they went. So when this one goes, that's 4 out in the last couple of days actually, because this will be out soon. I can see another eye in behind there. Good. Yeah. We'll get away. Oh, the little beauties. Tiny. I can hear the chirp-chirp on the people. Yeah, get out. A little look down here at this white throat. This had the clutch of 4. See how the chicks are developing. Let's get it on now, see. Oh yeah, 4 chicks had hatched out of there. So that's good. This one, last time I looked in, I had a little slug in it. But yeah, you can see them there. Anyways, I can hear the white throat churring on there. These nettles are out of control. I've just been nettled in the face. Right, get out. Well, looking at where the linnet's nest was, just perched there. This is the next door neighbour of the yellowhammer, which was doing great. Chicks were developing brilliant. Completely hacked out, and looking on the deck, look at that. practically half that cup is gone. How high is that? 3 foot. Nice one. Only about 3 foot. Well, that linnet hasn't made it. Just looking in here, look at this absolute stunner. As you can hear in the background, you'll know what that is. It's a lovely chaffinch. Right, we'll have to get out some clutch of 4. Do you know what? I've seen a stack of chaffinch, heard them singing, I've seen males perched up, tons. Never even had a sniff until now. And that is amazing. What a beautiful little nest that is. It's not all lichen, this. It's lichen at the top. It's in a fork of a gorse, standalone gorse with bramble all around it. Up there, see that there, like moss towards the bottom, but how stunning is that, man? Awesome little nest, that. Right, we'll get out, let this chaffinch get back in. You see that skeletal structure in there? It's a common white throat. I've been watching it, it's dropped in twice. Just sat up the top there. And yeah, it's building that up there now. Great. Yeah. Right, we'll get out. When I get back, him back to building. We'll get out. Just back in here. Someone I found the other day, and I was unsure. Garden warbler or whitethroat. I had seen the whitethroat, and I've heard him today up high, and as you can see there, he's developed that lining in there. Let's see one more. Like the horsehair, etc. I think what's put us off is this side structure here. I'm just used to the whitethroat using like finer grasses. It just seemed quite thick, that outer cup. That's what's thrown us a bit on that one, but yeah, whitethroat I've heard again, and you can see that in there. Great stuff. Number 7. Struggle to find that again. Took that back in. Looking at this here, blackbirds. I'll show you inside it. I'm thinking there's not a lot of debris in it. That could well be a new build, that. Aye, might be. I think birds have fledged through from that. Could have been predated, of course, but I think it looks pretty new. I'll keep an eye on it. Aye, nice one. Just come back to the grey tit nest box, because when I looked over the last time, there wasn't a lot of movement from them chicks. I'm hoping. Oh, excellent. Sure, I seen one beak there opening up. Yeah, excellent. Good stuff. I think I can hear a great hit there now. I think. Yeah, right, out. Lock this down.